the edge of the world in all of Western civilization. The sun may rise in the east, at least it's settled in a final location. It's understood that Hollywood sells Californication. Surgeon very well to break the spell of aging. Celebrity skin, is this your chin or is that war you're waging? Firstborn unicorn, hardcore softcore. Dream of Californication. Dream of Californication. To the world, be my very own constellation. A teenage bride with a baby inside, getting high on information. And buy me a star on the boulevard, it's Californication. Space may be the final frontier, but it's made in a Hollywood basement. In Kobe, can you hear the spheres singing songs off station to station? And Alderon's not far away, it's Californication. Born and raised by those that praise control of population. Everybody's been there and I don't need no vacation. Firstborn unicorn, hardcore softcore. Dream of Californication. Dream of Californication. Dream of Californication. Dream of Californication. Destruction leads to a very rough road, but it also breeds creation. An earthquake's out to a girl's guitar, that's just another good vibration. And tidal waves couldn't save the world from Californication. Hey, a surgeon very well to break the spell of aging. Sicker than the rest, there is no test, but this is what you're craving. Firstborn unicorn, hardcore softcore. Dream of Californication. Dream of Californication. Dream of Californication. Dream of Californication.
Okay. You guys said it was easy down here. Huh?
Give me a hand.
Here we go, pick him up. Hey, pick him up.
It was quite a
Lekker om man op die rivier. Sien julle nou my kinders?
Wat sê jy?
Ek is in my moed.
Wys ons die skoene.
Ek is opgeroei, hierdie fokkertjies. What do you call it? Read and go. What's that thing you guys do? What do you call it?
Read and run.
Read and run. Oh my fucking word. I said to him, I almost had a heart attack when I dropped into that toilet bowl. I thought, what the fuck are you doing here? I said, you're too old for this, man. Just, I'm on tape. Oh, fuck.
omrol.
Kyk die skoen.
Alles is in sy moeren.
Alles is in sy moeren. What do you say, Roo? Flat water.
Flat water, bro. No rappers, just class 2s.
Yeah. Can't remember, class 2.
Read and run.
Yeah, I was hoping that.
Oh, bro.
I realised I was a bit further down. How's it going?
In my mood.
I'm feeling my age. Ek is oud, maar ek is nog nie koud nie. Waar is die bier?